Very good morning, guys. In some class. మధ్యలో మధ్యలో పెట్టి hello. Gaurav, you are in the class and asking, do we have class today? You're already in the class here. Again, why you have the doubt, do you have a class today? Okay, very good morning, guys. Hello. Yeah, online students, am I audible? Online students, am I audible? Is the voice clear? Okay, okay. So last day, we have stopped talking. Last day, we have just been discussing about partial views, how to design a partial view and how to work out with the partial view. Okay. So in this process, I will just explain you creating a simple view and use it. Today, we'll also learn about model binding. We'll also learn about model binding. Yeah. Someone who asked this question yesterday, when I used the strongly typed helpers, when I used strongly typed helpers, I defined two action methods. One is add student SP, one is add student SP, get and post. And for the get method, I'm passing the view object. I'm passing the view object. I'm sorry, the model object. I'm passing the model object. Actually, um, but I had shown this in the classroom. I did not pass it. Thank you. Voice break button. Online में सर के पंजे online में सर का lead voice. Hey, stop talking yet. Stop talking. Hello. Can you hear me, guys? Is the voice clear? Okay. Is it fine now? Okay. Yeah. Yesterday, uh, when I went to the student controller, yeah, when I defined this method add student, I need to pass. I did not pass the model object. In the classroom, I did not pass, but the notes I just used it. Actually, not required here. You need this in case you are designing a edit. I repeat, you are designing a edit page. But right now we have a new array, add new student means bank only. But tomorrow when you go for edit student, when you use edit student, it cannot be blank. Existing student record should come there. Okay. So not required here. If you pass also no issue, but not required. Even you don't pass also not required. But going forward, when we go for edit, in that scenario, compulsory, I need to pass it. Okay, not for new, because we are planning for a new student. For new student, this is only optional, but for edit student, that is mandatory. Okay, now that's why in the classroom when I did not pass also, that worked. For you, if you pass, no issue. Even if you don't pass also, no issue. Is it clearer? Yeah. So what's the plan now is, what's the plan is, we want to create a partial view with model binding. We want to create a partial view with model binding. We'll do it, guys. I'll tell you how we are going to do it. Just observe it. Forget about partial views for the time being. Forget about the partial views for the time being. Let's try with a small example first. No partial views, nothing. I want to add a model class here. Right now we have two models now. One is employee, one is student. Let's take a new model called customer. The model is a customer. Customer is a model what I want to add. Come on, let's add a customer. Right click. Customer. Now I want to define some properties of the customer now. ID, name, like this. I just want to define some attributes. Guys, I'm defining 7 attributes for this customer. Watch. ID, name, what type of account, savings account, whatever it is, current account, demat account, whatever it is. Next, balance, city, status, active or inactive status, and photograph of the customer. Are you clear? So totally 6 attributes. Now I want to get the photograph of the customer, guys. I want to get the photograph of the customer. Okay, if at all you want to get the photograph, first we need to have the images in our project here. So yesterday we added an images folder now. Under this images folder, let's add some photographs now. I want to represent 5 or 6 customers. So let us create a let us add 5 or 6 photographs now. Okay. So right click, add existing item. I have an images folder. So in this all files, yeah, last class we added a header image now. I have some photographs here, guys. Let me take them. Okay. Some photographs I was just adding here. Okay, 6 different photographs what I taken. Well, now let me add a controller. Let me add a controller class. Sorry, I did not click on the controller folder. Add controller. Customer controller. Listen. Now, what is my plan? I want to create a customer instance here. Public, view result, display customers. So what's my plan is, I want to create a customer class instance now. Customer C1 is equals to new customer. And unfortunately, you don't have a parameterized constructor in the class now. So all fields are initialized with the default values. But if at all you want to give your own values, what you can do? Object initializer. First attribute, customer ID is equals to 101. Next, name equals to some name. What next? Not job, account. Let's assume it's a savings account. Savings. Balance is equals to some 50,000. City, Hyderabad. Status, true. And photo. Give the path of the photograph here. Give the path of the photograph. Tilde slash images slash. I have 6 images here. Image 1, image 2 like this. I am using image 1 now. Are you clear? Well, now just observe it, all of you. Earlier also, we created instances of the class. But how did we create? We created instances earlier by taking the data from user. We designed a EM3 form. User entered the value. With the values, we created instance. Correct? Now I did not create the values from user given values. I created instance with my own values now. Maybe I'm reading these values from a database. I'm reading these values from a file. Chances there, yeah, you can read values from database. You can read values from files. You are reading values from different data sources now. Are you getting me? You are reading the value from different data sources and creating the instance. Can I create multiple instances like this? I want to create multiple instances. I wanted to create multiple instances. So guys, just observe. So 6 images we copied now. Well, I'm creating 6 instances here. Just same code only. Yeah, watch. Are you clear? I'm creating 6 instances basically. Okay. Slash is not there. Actually, I need to use this binding in HTML. HTML doesn't require a tilde operator. In C#, we need a tilde operator. If you are using directly in C#, tilde is required. But HTML doesn't require a tilde. Even you give also no issue, even you don't give also no issue. HTML will not ask for a tilde there. How many instances are created? See, you created 6 instances now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, tomorrow, imagine you're reading these values from a database. 100 instances can be there now. 100 customers, 100 instances. Okay, now. What I taught you earlier I taught you how to pass a model object to the view. How did we pass? Simply we said return view and we pass the model object now. See one? Yes or not? But guys, now I want to pass 6 objects now, not 1. How many? 6 objects. So how can we pass all the 6 at a time now? If you want to pass it, take a list now. List of customers is equals to new list of customer. Remember, you learned about this in your C# classes already. I also shown you how to write queries on that also. Linked queries. What is that? Where clause, group by clause, order by clause, everything I explained in the C# to you already. So here, I am passing all the C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6. Tomorrow, if 100 are there, all the 100. Now, directly you can pass your list also. Is it clear, guys? Directly you can pass the list also. What is it taking? Object. Object here, anything I can pass now. Because it gives me a chance to pass an object, I can pass anything now. So, in the previous example, you're passing only 1. Directly passed it. But today we have 6 to pass. So, that's why we are adding all the things in a list and passing that list now. Are you getting my point or not? Okay, so directly the list. Now, shall I add a view for this now? Right click, add view. Okay, add view. Now I just wanted to use that here. Okay, @model. Listen, what are you passing? Lista or a customer? Earlier you passed only 1. Yes or not? Or when you passed, see in the previous example, one example we passed employee. One example we passed the student. How did I write? Dot models dot, yeah, whatever it is you are writing now. Right now it is, but it will receive only one object now. But you want to receive one object or multiple objects? Here also we need to use the same one. List of. Are you clear? Generally, in the real time, in the place of list, we use a parent of it, guys. What is it? IEnumerable. I already said you in the previous classes. Also remember, IEnumerable is a parent. I want more information on the IEnumerable, guys. In my YouTube videos of the collections, the last three videos, I explained about IEnumerable, IEnumerator, some different extra videos are there. Just go to the last three videos of the collections in my YouTube channel. Is that clear? Okay. Totally there are 8 videos and collections, I remember. The first 5 videos are what I explained in C# classes to you. What is it? Hash table, dictionary, array list, all these particular things. And the last 3 videos are IEnumerable and all. This IEnumerable is a parent of all the collections. Just watch the videos to get an idea more about it. This is an interface here, parent to all the collections. So I can use IEnumerable. Sir, if I use list, any problem? No problem here. But if you use list, only you can capture it as only when list is coming. But tomorrow, from here, if I pass a different collection, so many collections are there now. If I pass stack now, if I pass a stack now error will come here now. Are you getting me or not? Why, sir? Because you are accepting only the list. But what is passed? Stack is passed. But if I use IEnumerable, what is the advantage? You can pass anything here. Pass a stack, pass a queue, pass a dictionary, pass a list, anything your choice now. That is the reason why we make it generic by using IEnumerable. If you want to pass a list also, no issue. Okay. Now see, what is model? Model is a customer or model is a list? Model is a customer or a model is a list? Model is a list now. Model is not a customer now. Model is a list. Come on. Watch. I want to display the data in a table format to user. Okay. Table. Border is equals to 1. Align is equals to center. Okay. Align is equals to center. Now here I'm just trying to write a caption. Caption. What? Customer details. TR. How I just want to show. I want to show something like this, man. Not rows and columns only, but okay, I'm expecting like this. A table. Columns, okay? Oh, sorry. Well, now here, what should come now? Your image should come here now. Your photograph should come here now. Now on the other side, show me rest of all the information. Customer ID. Something 101. Name. Scott. Account. Savings. Balance. Something. City. Hyderabad. Status. Did you understand how I'm expecting the output? This is how I'm expecting now. Left hand side completely, photo should come. Right hand side, all the attributes has to come. Okay now? Okay, watch. Now every record should be shown as one table now. Array, one record, six records, six tables has to come now. Okay, okay. Every record should be shown as one separate table. Every record should be shown as one separate table. Okay. For each. At the rate for each. Customer. C. In. Model is a list, remember. You're picking one by one customer. But when you're typing customer C, it's asking to type the whole namespace name now. Are you clear? So to avoid it, at the rate using models, then here also not required now. Is that clear? Okay, and here also I can remove it. Or otherwise, still simple option. Where? We can use of the where keyword now. Okay, where? Simply use where, that's enough. Okay, where, you know it, automatically recognize the type. You want to be specific, then type customer. Customer C in model. So guys, what I'm creating, I'm just creating a table for every record now. I'm creating a table for every record. Now, TR, the first TR has how many TDs? 2 TDs. But this TD is occupying a 6 row span now. This is occupying 6 row span now. Come on. TD row span is equals to 6. Row span is equals to 6. And second TD. Second TD doesn't have multiple row span. It has only one. What do you write here? Customer ID. C dot. And you are going to specify the customer ID now. C dot customer ID. At the rate C dot customer ID. Now see, the remaining rows has one column only. Still 5 more rows. Have how many columns? 1. Why? This is 6 row span now. Come on. TR. TD. Just a minute. 2, 3, 4, 5. Name. At the rate C dot name. Next. Balance, account. At the rate C dot account. Balance. At the rate C dot balance. City. At the rate C dot city. Status. At the rate C dot status. And here photograph has to come there. How to get it? Image tag. Image here. I'm writing a style for it. Before that, I'm here. Width is equals to 200. Height is equals to 200. I'm setting a width and height for this now. And in that, the image should fit for 100%, 100% now. SRC is equals to, how to get it? At the rate URL dot content. At the rate URL dot content. And here, you can just pass your photo, basically. What is it? C dot photo. C dot photo. Okay. So now every record will build one table now. See, your table code is inside the for each loop. It is inside the for each loop. Because it is inside the for each loop, every record will build one table like this. and shows you all the 6. Run. Small iterate model is like your import statement. Just like using here, this also the same. That is to bind a model with the view. If you are writing in Pascal case, means you are referring to the model directly now. You are referring to the model directly. What is the error? If you show me the code, I tell you. That's all I'm getting error means what did you write? I don't know. I can't tell you. Is what I want. Are you clear? So I'm just getting the records in a table format now. Understood? Guys, now I have a small problem here. Not a problem, not any error. I got it. But tomorrow I'm creating another view, guys. In another view also, I want to display the same customer data again. Array, I have another view. In my second view also, I want to display the same customer data again. If you want to display the same customer data again in another view, you again require to write this code one more time there now. Or what code? The complete table code. Correct or not? There is another view, guys. In another view also, I want to display the same customer data. One record or all records, whatever it is. You need to write this code again now. Yes or not? Array, to simplify this, create a partial view and use the partial view in all the places now. Understood? That's what I said to you. Brings reusability. What brings you? So let's do one thing. Let's say partial view just for displaying one student record. That's all. Did you understand me or not? I want to create a partial view just to display only one student record. How many? One and only one student record. I want to create a partial view just to display one student record. What will you do? Help me. Shared folder. Add view underscore student or customer underscore customer. Some name you like. Okay, let me see what name I used in my notes. Anything you like, guys. Underscore customer view. I given the name as underscore customer view. Next, create as partial view. We need to select the checkbox, create as partial view. Add. Okay. And guys, I'm going to create this view only to display one record only. How many? At the rate model, MVC UI designing dot models dot customer. Okay, now I'm going to write the code here to display the data in a table format. The table code, what I written there, I want to write here now. Copy the table. Paste here. Copy the table code and paste here. One small change. What is it? Now you want to C dot. What is it, right? Model dot. Array, your one record only now. The one record only is one now. So what should I write? Model dot. Just to change this. Model. I'm not looping. Why? This is just to display one single student record. Okay, now come back here. I removed of this. I removed that code here now. I pasted separately. What you call? Array, simply call at the rate or simply HTML dot call the method. Which method? Partial. Two parameters pass. Yesterday one parameter will be passed. Now today two parameters I'm going to pass. First parameter, view name underscore customer view. Second one, model object. That's all. Pass the model object now. So what it does? What it is going to do now? It is just going to call the partial view, and the partial view will send the data which will be printed here now. Array, tomorrow you have another page now. Another page also you want to display. No need to write code again now. You can directly call the partial view and complete your task. You can directly call the partial view and complete your task now. Simple. Call @partial and execute. Run and see. You should see the data. Same output only. Nothing changed. Is that clear, all of you? So nothing got changed. Now also we got the same result what we saw earlier. But now I done with the help of a partial view. You have a doubt here. So why use the agreed again here? I already said you this is a print statement. Understood or not? This is a value returning method and the method should print the output on the monitor. So I should use at the rate. Whenever you want to print, we should use at the rate without again writing console.writeLine or messagebox.show. Simple work. What is it? At the rate. That works like a print. It'll print you the thing directly on the monitor. Understood? Just a minute. In single record page, why we use model, not model. A single record or multiple records. Anywhere you use at the rate model, lowercase only. Import statement should be lowercase. When you're consuming Pascal case, say this is a keyword to import the model. This is a keyword to import the model. But when you come here, array, this is not a keyword here, that's referring to your model now. That is your class. Put your mouse there. Understood? But what is this? Is a keyword to import a model. Keywords are in which case? You learned in C# now. Keywords must be in lowercase. That's a keyword. But here this is not a keyword. This is directly your class. No, which class? Customer means customer class. Student means student class. Employee means employee class. Put your mouse, man, you'll understand. Put your mouse there. Telling you it refers to customer. But this is a keyword. This is a keyword. Just like the using keyword you used here, you have another keyword called at the rate model. This is for importing a namespace. This is for importing a model class. For importing a model class, we use a keyword called at the rate model. Understood, all of you? That's where day one only I said you. When you're importing lowercase, that's a keyword. But here, we are not importing, we are consuming. We are referring to our class. So we should use in Pascal case. Partial view code is in for each loop. Why is all records displayed? It's not in for each loop here. Just a minute. I used a loop here, man. Asking you written code for displaying one only now. Why it displayed all records? I used a loop here. See there, loop is there. What the loop is doing? The loop is calling the partial view now. How many times? 6 times. It is calling the partial view for 6 times. Tomorrow, in any scenario, I want to display only one record. Only one record. Suppose there is a... Just a minute. Imagine there is a view button beside the record. When I click on the view button, it has to display me full size now. Are you getting me? There is a view button here. If you click on the view, what it has to show me? This one record in full size screen now. Are you getting me? How many records? One only now. When it want one only, I can directly call off this now. This partial view is not showing all records. Partial view is designed to show only one record. You will call it for one time, you will call it for 10 times. It's your choice now. I called it for 6 times in a for each loop. The loop runs 6 times. First time, first record is sent to partial view. Second time, second record is sent to partial view. 6 times the loop runs and displays you the data for 6 times. So that is why I'm still getting how many records here? 6 records. Did you understand me or not? I'm getting 6 records. Just for example, all of you observe this one. I'm writing a separate method, public partial view result display Did you guys understand me? Display Customer, not customers. How many? One only. And here I'm creating one and only one instance. How many? One. And I'll say return partial view, and I'm passing C1. Now tell me how many records will come? One only. And now directly I'll call what? My display customer partial view now. But the name is underscore customer view. So because the name is underscore customer view, don't forget to specify underscore customer view. You see now, this is designed for multiple records and this is designed for single record. And to display a single record, I use the partial view. And to display multiple records also, I use the same partial view. Understood me? Reusability is what I'm just bringing into action. I'm using the same partial view for displaying single record also or for displaying multiple records also. What is the name? Customer, display customer. Check now, one record. But if you call display customers, all records. In both the two cases, we use the same partial view. If you write the code 2 times, if I don't use the partial view, I need to write code 2 times now. Once under display customers, once under display customer. But I did not do that. How many times I did the code? One time. And I use the same thing for display customer also, display customers also. That's what reusability. Is that clear, all of you? Yeah, 6 times loop. Array, you did not get the same data, na? Did you get the same data 6 times? See there? Same data. Teja, you got 6 separate records. Okay? Fine. So now you saw an example of the partial view with the model binding also. And one more important thing what I taught you right now. What is it? How to pass multiple records to a view. Earlier examples are always you are passing only one record, just one record. But today I shown you more than one record, multiple records. You can pass a single record or you can pass multiple records. And in this example, we have passed the multiple records to the view and displayed all the records at a time now. Okay. Well, guys, why I shown you this example is I'm laying the foundation for database programming. Tomorrow you work with the database, one record will be in the table. 100 records will be in the table now. All the 100 records should send to the view now and so now. That's why I just showed you. So step by step, once we go to database, all the data will come from database and displays you in a table format. Okay. Then I'll show you editing. Now I'm showing only adding and displaying. I showed you only adding and displaying, but there I'll show you editing, deleting also. Add new records, edit existing records, delete and display all. Display all, display single. Did you understand? Display all, display single, add, edit, delete. Have you noticed it anytime? All these options, I never said you now. Okay, just a minute, guys. Add view. I'm not adding a view. These are the options, guys. First one, show all records. Second one, single record, details. I got all records here. You click on the dash to show me one record in detail now. Next, insert, edit, delete. Are you clear? Okay. Empty without model. And this is empty with model. Okay, I'll tell you. Right now, what are you using? Empty without model. What is empty with model and all the things also I'll show you. But everything we will learn going forward. Okay, but first concentrate. I'm showing only simple examples to you, but we will make it much more better and complicated when we go to database. Okay, now? So partial view is clear. So first I shown you a simple thing. Now I shown you with the model data. Next. The next concept is layout views. What is it? Layout view. What's a layout view? Guys, you understand, if you take a project here, you take a website. Every website has a layout. What is that layout? Watch. Let me show you the Amazon website. Look at the website now. First, on the top of the website, it is showing you the logo on the left-hand side. Beside that, showing you some delivery address, location, something. Text box, country and language, your signing details, your returns and orders, and your cart. Okay, and it's a black color orient. And below that, there's a dark gray color, another bar is there. The dark gray color, showing you a menu. All items, fresh, Amazon Mini TV, like this, you have some options. Okay, so first what we have? A black color horizontal bar. Below that, a dark gray color horizontal bar. Below that, your actual page content is coming. Okay, still scroll down. Again in the bottom, see a black color bar, showing you like different sites related to Amazon, different sites, address and all. Okay, and above that, you have another dark color gray bar showing you which countries it operates. Which countries it is operating. It is showing you all the lists of the other countries, what it operates and everything to you. Okay, and above that, yeah, this is still the page. The page what we saw on the top, that one. Means totally you have 5 things you understood. First one, a black color horizontal header. Below that, a dark gray color. In between, we have the actual content. In bottom, dark gray color bar and a black color bar. Okay, fine. Now, just a second here, I want to search for iPhone. I want to search for iPhone 15 Pro Max. I'm searching for this product now. But you notice now also, what you saw on the first 2, the top 2 did not change. The bottom 2 also did not change. What changed? The content, what we got in the middle got changed, and that's all. Remaining all, you are getting the same thing only now. Yes or not? This is what we call layout. Means for every page, the top 2, bottom 2 are same. Did you understand me or not? For every page, what you're getting on the top 2 horizontal bars, the bottom 2 horizontal bars are same. What is changing, guys? The content in the middle is changing, that's all. Are you clear? Now see, tomorrow your site has 100 pages. In all the 100 pages, you want the same design now. You want the same design. What to do? Option 1. Every page, design the 2 bars on the top, 2 bars in the bottom. How many times you should design? 100 times. How many times? 100 times you should design. But after designing everything, if the client asks you to change you the background color of anything, you will start crying now. Why? I need to modify 100 pages now? Yes or not? So that is a bad way of designing. Second option, partial views. Design 4 partial views now. Design 4 partial views. One for top header. Second header. Now, first footer, second footer. First header, second header. First footer, second footer. Total 4 partial views. Now, what you do? Include the partial views into all the 100 pages now. You know how to include? Yes or not? Here, easy to manage. Why? If tomorrow, if anything want to be changed, where to change? It will affect the whole site. Correct? But problem is, I should include that again in all the 100 pages. Whenever you add a new page, you need to put the top 2, bottom 2 in every page now. Yes or not? If I forgot, that page will not get the footer or a header now. So whenever I add a new page, what should I do? I should include the top first header, second header, first footer, second footer. 100 pages, 100 times you need to repeat the including code. Array, we are not designing code is not there. What code? Include code is repeated 100. 1000 pages are there means include code is 1000 times. Yes or not? Whenever you add a new page, the first thing you're required to do is you're required to write the include code in all the in all the pages you are raising. This is also a bit complex only now. Yes or not? To overcome these problems, they introduced a concept called as layout views. What is it? We also call them as master pages. Listen, we also call them as master page. We call this a master page basically. So what is master page? Master page in the sense, we are going to design one layout page first. We are going to design a layout page. And in the layout page, by designing the layout page, observe it. Listen, guys, what you do first is you design a layout page. Okay. Now, in the layout page, you can design your first header. You can design your second header. Next, the first footer. Okay. And in the same way, you can also have your second footer. So basically, we are going to create a layout page like this. And here we have in the middle now, this middle, reserve this space for content page. Understand me, guys. This is a layout page. This is a layout page. Now, you design the first header, second header, first footer, second footer, all the things you design here, and you are reserving the space now for content page. What is the content page? I said you, I want to include this content in 100 pages now. All the 100 pages are content pages now. We don't design this in all the 100, or we don't use partial views in all the 100. In all the 100, what exactly should be displayed, that only will be presented. We call them as a content page. Content view, content page, content view, whatever you call, both are same. Now, what is this? This is the layout view now. Whenever people request for a content page, suppose the login page is there here, just to design login page, no header, no footer, no partial views, nothing. Just to design only login page. When you call the login page, what will the login page, the login page will go now, merge with the layout page and displays the output. So you call a registration page. Registration page will go, merge with the layout page and displays the output. Now your 100 pages now, all 100 pages will merge with the layout and shows you the output now. Okay, for example, look this, all of you. This is I designed a layout for header. I designed a layout for footer. In between, I love the space for a content view now. And this is my content view, your login page or registration page or anything now. Now the request will never go to layout view. Understand, all of you, request will never go to layout view. Request always goes to, when the request goes to content view, the content view will come now, sit in this place and displays you this output now. What do you have now? Header, content, footer. This is the output view. Are you clear? How many content views can be there? Hundreds. How many layout pages will be there? One and only one. Now you see, I don't require to include them every place now, like a partial view. Or I don't require to design it for multiple times. How many times you design? One time. One and only one time. Did you understand the advantage now? Every site will have a layout. Did you understand me? Every site will have a layout. Okay. It's a website, guys, a live website designed by, actually we designed this. You see this layout here? This is a header now, showing you the menus. The header now. Are you clear? A login option, and this is the page now. This is the page. This is the content page now. This is all the content page. And now come below, footer. This is a footer now. Okay. From here, let me go to another page here. Yeah. Actually, the set page, and I click on this, it will take me to another page. See there. In the second page also, header came automatically. And what again? Why change it, guys? The content page is changed. That's all. Are you clear or not? We changed here. The content page has changed here. Now this is merging with the layout, and the layout page is coming. So what should I design first? I should design a layout page. And when I'm designing a layout page, I need to reserve my space for the content page. Where you want the content page to display, reserve it. Now the content page will come now and sit at that location. Yeah, it's the same picture what you have. Are you guys clear? Yes or not? Okay. Yeah, there's a different layout, so just demonstrate it. But yeah, we'll see how to design it. Is the concept clear of us? Tell me, how many layout pages will be there? One only. How many content pages will be there? N number. N number. Okay, yeah, header and footer will be same. Only the middle content will change. Just a minute here. This is another layout. Yes, this is another layout. Just showing you different example, that's all. See, this is a layout here. There is not a header region. And here, they left some space to display advertisements. Or in websites, advertisements will be shown now. Below that, something like a recommended books. And this is a footer region. And here, see, they left this space here now for content page. This is another style of layout now. Now, where the content pages will come and sit? The content pages will come and sit at this location now. Okay, observe it now. This is my page. This is my layout. And see the output. Understood or not? This is your page here. That is your layout. Now, this page went now combined with the master final output. Okay, layouts are your choice. Not always other footer layouts only. Different kind of layouts will be there. So this is one style of layout now. Now your company will have different layout where the content page is going to come on the right side. Now you want the left side. You might design it in the right side. Or you want to get in the bottom. Or you want to get in the top. That is your choice. Leave your space according to your requirements. Understood or not? Now the doubt is, how do I reserve my space, sir? How do I reserve my space? I'll tell you. We'll talk on that in detail. Look at this. I want a layout like this. Observe it. I want a layout like this. This is my header. What I got here? Menu bar. Here, left menu. A different style of layout now. And here I want to reserve my space for. I need to call a method. What is the method? Render body. Render body. This is a method. We use it for reserving a space for content page. Reserving a space for content view. See, place reserved for view pages. Nothing but content page. This is the space what I'm reserving. So what happens now? In the runtime, my content page will come and sit at this location. So every page will have a header now. Every page will have a menu now. Every page will be a left menu. Everywhere you have a footer. And here is your content. Actual content. Are you clear about render body? So what is the render section? I tell you first. Are you clear with the render body? Render body is a method called for reserving space for content page. What is the render section is nothing, guys. Basically, it's an optional section. It is an optional thing. Suppose you want to display some messages on your screen anywhere. Like, see, there's a cricket match going on today between India and Australia in Hyderabad. Sorry, India and England in Hyderabad. Suppose in the website, when the match is going on, they want to display the cricket score now. And displaying the cricket score is not mandatory. They want no match, no score, no. Yes or not? Okay. So basically, this render section is for injecting some text into a page, injecting some text into a page optionally. Are you getting me or not? When do I display cricket score here? If match is present, if no match, what score will I show now? Right or not? So when match is there, show me the score on the top now. Are you clear or not? So basically, that is what render section is. This is an optional section using which you can inject a piece of text into the page. A piece of text into the page. You can inject it, and that is not mandatory. It is only optional. And you can inject in different places here. I can put wherever I want now. I want to put this on the top of the header now. Yeah, I can put a render section. If you put a render section now, the text will be injected on the top now. If I put in the bottom, it will come in the bottom. I can even have multiple render sections. World Cup is going on now. And at a time, matches are being conducted now. And I want to display the two match scores here. So I have two render sections. One on the top. How many render bodies can be there? One only. But how many render sections can be there? 0 or n. Render body, one and only one. Understand? One and only one. Minimum one, maximum one. But render section, 0 or n. Minimum 0. I don't want render sections at all. Leave it. Or I want 10 render sections in different places. You can. And because you put a render section, it is not mandatory. You need to pass a value. It is again optional. You may pass a value, you may not pass a value. Understood the point? So two methods here. What are the two methods? Render body, render section. Okay, how to design this, I'll tell you. We'll discuss on this in detail. We'll design a layout. Yeah, render section injects only text. Render section injects only text. You can send some text there, that's all. Okay, not a page. Not a page. To inject a page, render body. Body will inject the complete page now. But render section injects only some text, some piece of text. I'll show you practically. Hold on. We'll talk about it. Let's do one thing, guys. I'll create a... Okay, we'll design a new project. I'm creating a project here. I'll name it as MVC Layout Views. Project. Help me, please. Yeah, ASP.NET web application. MVC layout views, MVC 11. Empty MVC. Uncheck all the other checkboxes. Guys, I want to use Bootstrap in my project now. I want to use Bootstrap in my project. Let's install. Tools. NuGet Package Manager. Manage NuGet packages for solution. Come on. Browse. Go to browse. Search for Bootstrap by the Bootstrap authors, and the latest version is 5.3.2. Select your project, install. See, guys, not only Bootstrap, I'll show you using jQuery in the code. How do you jQuery in the code? How do you use Ajax in the code? All these things we'll see. We're starting with Bootstrap, but later on, different Java libraries also we'll try implementing in our application. Okay. Now it is the term of Bootstrap. Okay. Now I want to create a layout. Guys, layout view extension is also .cshtml only. Layout view extension is also .cshtml, and same rules like a partial view. What is it? Stored in a shared folder. Why? It's common for all the, so where it should be shared folder. And to represent a layer, to discriminate between other views, use underscore. All rules are same like partial views. Okay. What you do first, go to views, and the views, add a new folder, shared. Right click, add view. Give a name for it. What is the name I used? Okay, my name is underscore site master. That is something, guys. What is the name? Underscore site master. Are you clear? So just uncheck all the other checkboxes. Uncheck all the other checkboxes. I'll tell you now what is a layout page. I'll tell you. We learned about master page now. I'll talk about this also. What you'll do? Uncheck all the checkboxes and click on the add button. This is how we created a normal view in the previous examples. Correct now? Okay. Yeah. And do you remember every day you're saying @ layout on the top? I never heard about this particular thing. Okay, I'll tell you. We'll talk on that also now. Now, what you do? Let us design a layout, guys. And I want my layout like this. I divided my page into 4 rows. It's a table layout, guys. 4 rows. First row is divided into 2 columns, and the first column contains a logo image, round image, and the second column contains a header image, round edged image. How do you get this, sir? Bootstrap. That's why I use Bootstrap. You want to get a round image round, or round edged image? We'll take the help of the Bootstrap styling now. Here. Next, on the middle, second row. What have in the second row? Second row has 2 columns. First column is showing different links to different pages now. Home page, register page, login page, courses page, about page. When I click on home page, now in the render section, home page should come now. Sorry, render body. I'm sorry. In the render body, I'm reserving the space for the page there now. You click on home now. What should come there? Home page. Register page should come. Login page should come. Third row, a render section. I'm leaving a row space there for displaying some static text, and that is optional section, not a mandatory one. Fourth row, again that's a full row. There also want one image. There also want 3 images I'm using, guys. Header image. Yesterday I'm using the header image. The same header image. Now I want footer image also, logo image also. So totally 3 images, I need them. Okay, what will do? Add new folder. What is the name? Images. Now copy all your required images here. Add existing item. My computer images folder is there. Foot image. This is a foot image. Header image. This is the logo image I'm using. Okay, it's not a round image, but we'll show you as round. Okay, so these are the three. Logo is a JPG, these two are PNG. Array extensions doesn't matter for us. So this one you saw already, na header. We saw yesterday. Footer will display the address, and this is a logo. Fine. Let me come here. And you want it a table format, right? Okay, we'll do it, guys. We need some HTML code for this. First, full screen, 100%. The width of the table is 100%. Now, first row has two columns. One column, logo, one column, and we want to use Bootstrap here, right? Solution Explorer, content. Which file I said? Bootstrap.min.css. Drag it. Okay, fine. Now I'm creating the first row. Look, how many columns you want? 2 columns. First column, one image. Second column, another image. Observe it. TD. Align center. Background color, aquamarine. Image. Logo. Style. Height 100, width 100. Bootstrap class, rounded circle. Simple, man. If the width and height are same, it will be round. If the width is more, it will be oval. That's it, nah. Okay, width is more, you'll get a oval image now. But both are same, you'll get a round image. And this is what we are using. Second column. Header. Height. Width 100%. What is width 100%? Listen. Array, this is your layout, right? You are given 100%, 100 width for this image now. Array, remaining all space I want to give my second image now. That is why what I said to you, 100%. The 100% means after leaving this 100 pixels, how much space is left out? All the space is given for this. But both are having same height only. If heights are mismatching, one image will be smaller, one image will be bigger. Nah. Height should be same. What should vary? Width has to vary. For first one given 100 space now. And remaining all the space. How much is there? Don't know. Why? That's what I said. 100%. Whatever space is left out, give for the header image. Class is rounded. Means rounded means not rounded circular. Edges are rounded now. Only the edges will be rounded in this case. And you notice this? This image will be shown in the center. Align center na? It will be in the center of the appropriate cell. And the cell will have a background color. Are you clear? Why I set a background color? This is the image. Now see here. Some space is there now. Without showing white, I set a background color for that now. Okay? Second row. Second row, first column. You need to specify some links. How to get the links? Action link. Array. If you are using HTML helper, action link. If you use HTML control, anchor tag. Anchor tag for HTML here. HTML helpers means action links. What you want to use them. No issue. Anything will work. So this is my second row, guys. Now first let me design the first TD. Okay. Watch. Style vertical align top. What is this? Generally, guys, When you have this, when you have a height for this row now, this is the height of the row now. Generally, what happens, this content, what is present, will be shown in the center. You have a row space here, so the content will show where? Center of the cell now. But I don't want to show center, I want to show on the top. See now, the home is on the top now, not in the center. So to do that, vertical alignment, top, background color, Bollywood. I'm using a Bollywood. Okay. And I'm also using a bootstrap styling for this. I'm also using a bootstrap style for this. Nav bar. What we call? Nav bar. We are using a nav bar, guys. Nav bar. Class is equals to something. And then I use the action links. How will it show? Actually, generally hyperlinks means all of us are just know hyperlink shows in blue color when you click on that. Yes or not? But I'm changing the style of it. You will see the output. It won't show you in a blue color. It won't show you in blue color. It will show you normal color only, but works like a hyperlink. And that is all because of the navbar. That's all because of the navbar styling. We'll see. Wait, once you get the output, you'll understand how. This one, see, action link. What is the text you want to see? Home page, registration page, login page, courses offered, about us. Now, on the click of it, what to launch? Controller name is Nourish IT. Action method name is Home. When you click on the home page, it has to call the action method called Home now. Which controller? Nourish IT. Next, when you click on register, action method register. Controller is same here. Nourish IT controller now. Methods are changing. Home, register, login, courses, about. And also I'm using some style for that. Navbar brand. Navbar brand. You'll see how the output will come, then we'll talk on that. Okay, this is styling, bootstrap styling. They're all bootstrap, guys. That's why I included the bootstrap in the code. Okay. Well, my first column done. Second column. Second column is very simple here. You don't want anything in the second column. What do you want? See, second column is very simple. See that. That's all. Just that's all, nothing more. At the rate, render body. Just you're calling it. Means leave this space here for how much space it is going to reserve or take for that. It leave the space for this TD, guys. After leaving the space for TD, the rest of all the space is consumed by this one only now. Okay now? Third row. Third row is 2 column span. Third row is 2 column span first. And then you want render section. Render section, not render body. It is a render section. It should be a 2 column span now. Observe. This is my third row. TD, call span to background color. We are setting some background color here. Render section. The render section takes 2 parameters here. Name for the section. Why name? For body, you did not give a name. How many bodies can be? One only. Why you require a name now? How many sections can be? Then every section requires a name now. Sections can be multiple. So we need a name. Second parameter is mandatory or optional. If I say false, it is optional. If I say true, mandatory, compulsory, you set send a value now. Guys, I have 2 render sections here. One render section shows weather report. One render section shows cricket score. Weather report will you show based on the situation? Weather report should be shown every day now. Yes or not? Means that is a mandatory section. Cricket score. When match is there only, show cricket score. So that is a optional section. You understood now? You can decide yourself whether you want this to be a mandatory section or optional section. I want this to be a optional section. False. Is it clear? Last row. Last row again, call span to one image. Round edged image. Again, see, call span to width and image. I'm just giving some width for the image, height for the image, a small image only, 50%. Class is rounded. This is my layout, guys. This is my layout. Now, if I want to see the output now, I need to design the pages. Then only I can see the output now. I need to design the pages. So, first step, add the controller now. Add a controller. Till now we did not add any controller, guys. What did we done? We added Bootstrap. We installed Bootstrap. We added required images. We created a layout view. We still don't have any controller. See, it's empty. Okay, let's add. Right click and controller. What's the name? Naresh IT controller. Now write all the 5 methods. All the 5 methods now. First method, public, view result, home, return view. Next, public, view result, login, login. Let's copy paste the remaining. 3, 4, 5. Third one. Second one is register. Second one register. Third one login. Register, login, courses, about. Courses, about. Border radius 50%. Use whatever you want. Don't ask me about stylings, guys. You try whatever you want. Why you're getting in shared folder? You want to use that in all the pages. Yeah. When you want to use it in multiple places, it will be in the shared. This layout, see, the layout is not specific for one page now. Layout is for the whole site. Layout is for the whole site. Whatever is common should be in the shared. Even partial is also common. That can be used in multiple places. So whatever you think common, it should be shared. No, sir, I'll place in some other folder. Your choice here. I did not say these are rules. Did I? Giving underscore also, what did I say? Suggestion, I said to you. I am not telling, see, the rule I tell you, you must follow it. I did not tell like that. Without the standards, man, tomorrow 100 pages you have. You need to understand now what is the layout there, what is common there. So you need to follow the folder structure. Should I copy images in images folder? I can put images in controller folder also. Understood? But tomorrow you imagine yourself. What is it? What are images? What are control? How do you reference it? That's why good folder structure should be maintained. You will not understand with small projects. Go tomorrow in the industry. You will see 30, 40 controllers, hundreds of views now, and you will not understand anything at all first. If the folder structure is not there, you will start crying. What is view here? What is layout here? What is a model here? All things will be confusion. So always follow the guidelines that are prescribed. Okay, fine. So first, what to do? We'll start with home page here. Right click, add view. Okay, I'm creating a home page. This is my home page. Just a second, guys. I want to write some code here, man. Simple HTML code only, nothing special. I'm not talking about any layouts first. I'm not talking about any layout. I've just created a small page. What I have? A paragraph tag showing you some information there. Below that, ordered list showing you some information. Again, a paragraph tag showing some content. Run this. Run this. No layout here. Just a normal page. That's it. There's nothing here layout used. It's just a normal page we got. What we got? Paragraph, order list, paragraph. That's all. See, man, paragraph, order list, paragraph. That's it. I did not use any layout. Shall I use the layout? Shall we include the layout now? Okay, come on, watch. We never talked about that anytime now. Layout is equals to null, means I don't want a layout, but now I want a layout. Tell me what's a layout. Tilde slash views slash shared slash underscore sitemaster dot cshtml. Did you guys understand me? Save it. Got it? See? Are you clear? A rounded image. There we give a background color. Then that company name. And here see. Generally, hyperlinks also in black color and white background. Now I got reverse. I done a bootstrap styling. And this will work like hyperlinks only. See? When you put my mouse here, it will work like hyperlink only. See, I said the vertical align top now. If I don't use vertical align top, these menus will come in the center. No, it should come in the top only. It should not come in the center. Okay, and here is your content. Here is your content. See now, I don't have a render section. I have render body, but I don't have. Why? You did not pass. It's an optional section. Just want to preview. It is only optional. And you're going to background see that you can see that orange line there. This is only, guys, that's one row. We added one row there, but no content in the row. Okay, if I place the content, it will be visible to you. Shall I place it? How to place? Actually, I want to pass some content and show this content here. And this content can be device specific to each page now. This content can be specific to each page. See, look, come to your page now. Which page? Home page. In the bottom, write down. At the rate section, name of the section, what you want to show. What I want to show? I want to show some, I want to show some message here now. I'm using a font tag, color blue, something I'm showing it here. And this should come now in my page. Come to your browser, refresh. Got it? That's not a mandatory section now. That is optional. I may send, I may not send. And this content can vary from page to page now. This page I sent this one. Another page I'll send different information. Another page I'll send different information. I can send whatever I want from the page now. Are you clear? If you don't pass also, error did not come. And if you pass also, error did not come. So did you guys understood how to include layout? Yes or not? Now just watch. Go to layout page here. In the layout page also on the top is present. See? What is it? You can have one layout in another layout. You have one layout, another you can have another layout. If that is the case, you can include it here. Otherwise, I don't require this code. Even delete also no issues. When you say null also, same only. You don't write anything also, same only. Did you catch my point or not? Even that is null also, that is same. Even I don't write anything also, it is same. See, same output only came here. And you just notice that there's a round image, there's a round edged image. See. Curves in the corners. Is that clear? Sir, now you have a doubt. What is the doubt? Sir, in every page, should I write this now? Yes or not? 100 pages are there. You want me to write in all the 100 pages now? Yeah, we should write in all the pages. Okay, listen. We can apply a layout. We can apply a layout in two ways. What are the two ways? One is page level. Page level. We are doing page level only now. Second one is application level. Second option, application level. What is that application level? Without writing this on the top of every page, without writing this in the top of every page, you can write in one place and use it for the whole application. Did you catch my point? Just a minute. I will remove from here, okay? I'll remove it. Now, no, how you don't have a layout now. Come on, come here, refresh. Layout is not there. Are you getting my point here? Like this, I'm going to create my remaining 4 pages here, and I don't want to use the layout on the top 4 now. So all the pages will come without layout now. And I want to apply the layout for the whole application. If you want for the whole application, all of you carefully watch it. In the views folder here, in the views folder, we can add one special view. We can add one special view directly in the views folder, not under these folders, directly under the views folder. What is the name, you know? The name is underscore view start. What is the name? You can't change the name. Listen carefully. Underscore view start. You can add that. Are you clearer or not? Add that and you can write in that now. If you write in that, it applies to all the views automatically. That is called as a global applying. Shall we try that? Watch. Go there. Directly in the views folder, guys. Right click. Add a view. Add a view. MVC5 view. What should be the name? Underscore view start. Underscore view start. Okay, now click on the add button. Delete the whole content here, guys. Delete the whole content here and just write this one. That's all. Only that's all. Nothing more. Understood? If I write like this, now let me go back to the home now. See that home is not applying the layout. But will it come with the layout or not? Let us see. Applied. Now you don't require to write in every page now. There a login page. And I add a login page now. Let's add a login page. Register window. Okay. Add view. MVC5 view. Add. Remove this, guys. Remove this on the top. Okay. And write here code for registration page. Registration page. And here also, I am using a section. I'm using a section. What is the join is for? Best IT join. Different content what I'm showing you here. Now, till now, we have a which page to run is a big confusion for us now. Now run any page you want here. Why? We have links now. Once you launch a page, clicking on the links, you can go to any page you want now. Why should I call a particular page? Run the site. First, any page opens, no matter for me. I have a link here. Did you notice? Layout is not changing. What is changing? The content is changing. And here, what is the thing you have written? Excellence in IT training since 2003. And here, join us for best IT training. Something we have different. And photo is again same now. The header same, all same. Are you clearer, guys? Yes or not? Okay. Well, just a second. So, did you understand the two ways of applying it? What is the first option? Page level. Second option, application level. Guys, I'm removing the underscore view start. I'm deleting, not removing. I'm deleting the underscore view start. Completely delete. Underscore view start is deleted. There is no view start. Layout will not apply now. Layout will not apply. See again, I'm running the register. Did not apply. Okay now? Fine. Let us add the login page, guys. Let's add the login page. Right click, add view, login, and now watch. Select this, click on the button, select your layout page now. Select your layout page. Where is it? Views, shared, site master, click OK and click add. Check it out. It is writing for you. Did you notice that? It was writing for you right now. It is just writing you the appropriate information on this. Earlier you manually written and now it is automatically writing this content. Are you getting me? Yes or not? And we made a mistake. What is the mistake? Already your layout has head tag and body tag now. Again, in our home page also head tag, body tag are put now. All this nonsense not required now. Check what I have. Only the div tag now. Understood or not? What I need is only the div tag. You can remove all. Why? Because the same concept like yesterday I explained you, this will go and include into the layout page now. Already the layout page has had the tag, body tag, everything. Put this content and put in the particular render body section. That's it. We can remove in all this. Am I clear? Okay, so I can just remove all this content over there. Just a second. I can remove all this content. But see, guys, why I shown you is you can select like this also. Just to make you understand, you can select like this also. I have shown you this option. Are you clearer or not? Like this, you can select it. But still, the best option is what is the best option? The best option is using a view start. Using a view start. Shall we go with the view start now? Again, remove all the content from here. Add a view, MVC5 view. What is the name? Underscore view start, and no need to check any checkbox now. Okay, click on the add. At the rate, put it. Now design your login page. Design your login page. See now, no HTML content now. And what I said, you run anything you like. Run anything you like. Which page will come now? Login will come now. From here, you can navigate to home, you can navigate to register, or any page you like now. Are you getting me? Yes or not? Fourth page. Right click, add view, MVC5 view. Should I select this use layout page or not? No, no. Okay, I'm not selecting this. If I don't select this now, it will generate me all this nonsense here. Again, all this nonsense came now. So what should I do? Delete all and put my code there. Delete all and put my code there. Okay, now? But it's generating all. Again, I should delete and put my code there. How to avoid it? I'll show you. Wait. There is the last option. What we'll see now. courses offered. Okay. Last, let's create the about page. Finally, this is the option what we need to do every time now. What is it? Right click, add view, MVC5 view, select the checkbox. Sir, selecting the checkbox, no need. Read the description in the bottom. Telling you, see, what we telling you? Leave it empty. If it is set in the Razer underscore view start. Did you set in the underscore view start? Then leave it empty. So now onwards, we will select the checkbox every time now. So if I select the checkbox, click add, see there. Not generating all the content. Are you getting me? Not generating all the content. Directly what I can do? Put your required content there. I'm using a paragraph and writing this. I got this page now. And here I did not use render section. Are you clear? Just a second. Focus on the title now. Focus on the title. What is the title? That is showing as a title here. If you click on home page, it should show home page now. What is coming? Site master, reach the page. It's giving a site master like this. I'm not happy with this. How do you want to see? I want to see home page hyphen NIT. Registration page hyphen NIT. Login page hyphen NIT. This is how I want to see. Are you getting me? Okay, guys. Go to site. Array, this is the title. What do you have here? Are you clear? Now, what is common? NIT is common. Array, what is common? NIT is common. But before that, what you want to see is based on the page you click now. Am I correct? At the rate, go back dot title. I'm writing it like this. I will send the value to the go back from my page now. Are you clear? Come on, come to home. At the rate view back dot title is equals to home page. Home, okay, leave it, home. Copy this. Go to register. Register. Go to login. Login. Go to courses. Courses. Guys, just a minute. I want to regenerate about one more time. I want to regenerate about one more time. I'm deleting, guys. We'll regenerate again. Come on, help me. Right click. Add view. And what is it view? Use the checkbox. Click add. Got it? Yes, I'm showing you the progress. Generally, next time going forward, I don't record to type all these things manually. That is everything give me now. See the viewback.title is coming automatically. The viewback.title is coming automatically for me. That only I done in all the things. Viewback.title. First, I set the viewback in my master page now. And that is going to give me the appropriate information. And here, let us paste the paragraph here. The content, what I wanted to show. Okay, run again. For everything, we have automated options here. Just want to show you, are manually doing and all. I manually type that. Why should I manually type? I click on the button and select it. Write the code for me now. Are you getting me? And one more thing here. If you create an MVC project, what we create a blank project now. If you create MVC project, why I did not show you MVC project still now is the reason. If you create MVC project, by default, you will have a layout. By default, you will have underscore view start. Everything is automatically coming there. Without knowing what is a layout, if I open an MVC project and say this is a layout, you won't understand that. That's why. Now going forward, create MVC projects now. Layout page will come automatically. Underscore view start will come automatically. Whenever you are adding a new view, you can select the checkbox now. And once you select the checkbox, it will apply the view from the layout page here. From the view start, it will apply of now. I don't require to write any code. Understood? Everything becomes easy and simple. But first learn manual, then go for automated options. Is it clear, everyone? Okay, so now everything is set ready. Check out your title. This is a view bag which I'm sending dynamically. NIT is fixed. NIT is a fixed. After doing all these things, what you'll do finally, finally you create a MVC project. And now compare it. Whatever I said, that will be there as it is now. Did you catch my point? First do this. Afterwards, create a MVC project and start comparing. You will see everything what is said only as it is present in that place also. Am I clear? Let's stop here. We'll continue tomorrow.